Embark on a culinary exploration of Brazil with this extended canjica recipe. A cherished dessert that's a staple in Brazilian festivities, particularly during the Festa Junina. Canjica, also known as mugunzá in some regions, is a creamy, sweet dish made from white corn, enriched with milk and coconut, and infused with aromatic spices. Ingredients: 2 cups of white corn kernels canjica, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of sugar adjust to taste, 4 cups of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, ground cinnamon and grated coconut for garnish. Instructions: 1. Soak the corn. Begin by soaking the white corn kernels in water overnight. This softens the kernels and speeds up the cooking process. 2. Cook the corn. Drain and rinse the soaked corn. In a large pot, add the corn and water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the corn is tender. This may take about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the corn. 3. Add milk and sweeteners. Once the corn is tender, add the condensed milk, coconut milk, and sugar to the pot. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. The condensed milk adds richness, while the coconut milk introduces a tropical flavor that's quintessentially Brazilian. 4. Infuse with spices. Add the cinnamon sticks and cloves to the pot. These spices infuse the canjica with warm, aromatic flavors, enhancing its sweetness. 5. Simmer to perfection. Continue to cook the mixture on low heat, stirring occasionally until it thickens to a creamy consistency. Be patient during this step, as slow cooking allows the flavors to develop fully. 6. Garnish and serve. Once the canjica is ready, remove the cinnamon sticks and cloves. Serve the canjica warm or chilled, according to preference. Garnish with a sprinkle of ground cinnamon and grated coconut on top for added flavor and texture. Serving suggestions: canjica can be enjoyed as a dessert at family gatherings or festive celebrations. It's a comforting dish that's perfect for sharing and evokes the joyous spirit of Brazilian culture. Relish the extended Brazilian canjica recipe, a creamy, sweet delight that's not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a celebration of Brazil's rich culinary heritage. Each spoonful of canjica offers a taste of tradition, comfort, and the warmth of Brazilian hospitality.